beside me, it's only a dream, a vision of what used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know? I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide, it only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the lights, even the night, only reminds me of you. I needed my freedom, that's what I've thought, but I was so full to be near. My heart lied while you cried rivers of tears, but I was too blind to see everything we've been through before. Now it means so much more. I tried to run from your side, but each place I hide only reminds me of you. When I turn out all the nights, even the night, only reminds me of you. So come back to me, I'm down on my knees. Boy, can you see? How could I ever